People say, oh my God, are you saying that the blood of advanced meditators cause the cells to be more resistant to COVID? And I say, no. I'm not saying that at all. The data's saying that. That's the exciting part of all of this. We're looking at advancing some of the research that we're doing on COVID even further. We're publishing this paper around our research that is so unique that will really change the way people look at this whole thing. I got to tell you, there's nobody doing what we're doing in terms of the science and what we're looking at. The data is showing that there is a dramatic shift in the environment of people that come to the event. The environment somehow is changing a host of metabolic functions. There's a whole lot going on in the inner environment, which is still the outer environment of the cell. The exciting part is when we started out on this journey, we never really thought we would be getting what we're getting to the degree that we're getting it. And it substantiates on so many levels and does explain quite a bit of the healings that have taken place in this community. And it proves that if you come to a week-long event and you go all in for that entire week, you'll have a host of numerous biological changes that are taking place in your body for the better. And it's exciting to know that it lives within us.